Welcome to AndroidVideoReview.net. I'm Jay Boucher, and today I'm going to be showing you the VTL launcher. So the VTL launcher was developed by using, I think, the ADW launcher source code, and it was developed specifically for tablets. So the VTL launcher, I can show you right here on my tablet, my G tab, is adds this functionality. So we take a look at the sides. It adds a bunch of other things. This is the main thing, which I really like. So you can create these sidebars all around and around the screen that have, icons, apps, or whatever you want to put in it. So you can basically, it's the same way you would do anything. I'm going to click and hold. Let me just find, I have another browser here. Oops. I have Opera Mobile. So I'm going to click, I'm going to hold it, and I just drag it down. It's just like putting it on the actual home screen. You can do it the same way with this. And then let's go into the settings. So there's a ton of different settings. How your app drawer comes up, you can customize it. So I have it customized that if I hit up, swipe up, I open up the app drawer. If I swipe down, I get my preview screens coming up here. Oh, sorry, didn't notice the camera was a little blurry. Let's give it a second to come back. There we go. Yeah, sorry, it's probably from my hand being in the way. Let's go back here. Just general preferences. You can change the way that the screen scrolls. You can change how many docs there are, how many rows, how many columns there are, the scrolling speed. You can use themes. I have the honeycomb theme activated right now. You can use ADW launcher themes. They're supported by this, which is pretty cool. When you go to the drawer, you can change the way the app drawer is, whether or not it's vertical or horizontal, how many apps per column. Back up and restore your settings in case you want to, for whatever reason. So this launcher is actually pretty sweet, and it's a really cool way to keep your tablet if you're not running Honeycomb. It's a really great way to keep your tablet easier to use and more functionality, a better home launcher, because it's just easier to use with being able to put all this stuff on it. Doesn't include any widgets of its own. Here, I'll show you if you want to add something. It's basically the same as anything. Doesn't really include any widgets of its own, but does include a bunch of other stuff. A bunch of other features that are pretty good. Here, let me show you another thing. You can you hold it, and so we get this, which is new. Just makes it easier to do certain things with this. So, like when we hold an icon or something, let me show you again. Like instead of Gmail, instead of having to drag it, well, you can also change where you put the recycling bin. Here, let me show you that again. So I have my recycling bin up top when I want to remove something, but it's just nice to use. It makes it a little bit easier. And when you hit market, you can look that app up in the market. See? It's a pretty cool launcher. I haven't tried this on a cell phone. I probably wouldn't recommend it since cell phones are a lot smaller, and the screen's pretty big. But this is a pretty sweet app, so I would definitely suggest it if you guys are looking for something like this on your tablet. If you guys have any questions, you should check us out at www.androidvideoreview.net. Thanks.